Basic salary is taxable. Dearness allowance. Dearness allowance will be taxable or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. CT compensatory allowance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Acha, additional expense for city life 2000 per month. It is his concern. It is none of the concern of employer. So what he is doing, we are not concerned. What employer is paying him as a part of salary, we are concerned, and we are going to consider them for computation of salary or total taxable salary. Children's education allowance, taxable or not?
Taxable.
Taxable. Now, here it is given exemption is 1200. Otherwise, you should know what is the exemption available under section 1040. What is the exemption for children's education allowance? Can anybody tell me? Last week also we have learned. How much exemption is allowed? Education ke liye? So please refer, it is mentioned 100 rupees per child per month, maximum for 2 children. 100 rupees per child per month, maximum for 2 children. Clear hai? And hostel expenditure, 300 rupees per child per month, maximum for 2 children. This is all theory I have already discussed during last week. I will not repeat again and again. And that's why I have asked you to read and come. But here as it is given, so you need not have to worry. Next, children's hostel allowance, 300 rupees per month. Whether it will be taxable or not?
Taxable.
Absolutely.
Taxable.
Okay, and whatever the exemption will be there, that much we will deduct. Fixed medical allowance, whether it will be taxable or not?
Only taxable.
Only taxable. Only the reimbursement of medical expenditure is exempted perquisite, and again there I have given you the chart. Whether the hospital is owned by the employer, then exempted. If it is government hospital, exempted. Private hospital, 15,000, up to 15,000 exempted. Going abroad, income is less than 2 lakh, more than 2 lakh, likewise. Amount spent, not concerned. What you are doing is not concerned. How much you are getting is important. Motor car allowance. Motor car allowance.
Taxable.
Taxable. Commutation allowance. Commutation allowance.
Taxable.
Taxable. Okay. Lunch allowance.
Taxable.
Taxable. Entertainment allowance.
Taxable.
Taxable. But it 100% it will be taxable. But there is a exemption, I mean deduction in section 16(2) only for government employees. Under section 16(2) only to government employees. Okay. This is all you have learned in the theory. See, what I am referring is there in your textbook. Please go and read. एक तो यहीं पे दिया हुआ ये सारी चीजें. Is all allowance, how much it is taxable, how much it is exempted. ये देखो. This entertainment allowance is exempted, deducted under section 16(2). How much? 1/5 of the basic, 5,000, or entertainment, whichever is less. But only for government employees, not for others. Okay? Only and only for government employees, not for others. So Mr. Nirav is not a government employee. Then अभी जो मैंने आपको रेफर करा था, these all were deductions. Because hardly 5-6 students is answering who have read it. Others has not read, तो उनके लिए नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
So,
Yes.
so
These were the
सबका voice
allowance.
बहुत slow आता है.
these were the allowances which we were talking about. Dearness fully taxable, conveyance fully taxable, यही सब चल रहा था. Children's education allowance 100 rupees per child, hostel expenditure, ये सारी चीजें अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. Medical allowance fully taxable, यही सारी चीजें बातें हो रही थी. Tiffin allowance, project allowance, यही बात कर रहे थे. And 3 places you have to learn the amount. Where transport allowance 800 याद रखना है. Children's education 100 याद रखना है. Hostel expenditure 300 याद रखना है. बाकी there are few where the expenditure to the extent incurred will be allowed, remaining will be taxable. Here also expenditure incurred will be allowed, and these all are there under section 1014. These all allowances is there under section 1014. So that is why when you are doing this question, you are finding that they are referring to section 1040. Hospital ka also I told you, if it is owned by them, if it is government, fully exempted. So this all you have to learn. And it will come in regularly every question. So we were there till entertainment allowance. So as he is the private employee, Talent Limited is not a government company, so he will not get the benefit of section 16(2). Servant allowance,
Taxable.
picnic allowance, bolo, taxable. Refreshment allowance, taxable. So see, you may find somewhere it is given per month, somewhere it is given total amount. So total amount means per annum. Here it is also per month. Here somewhere I found it is picnic allowance. This is for entire year. Don't consider it as per month. Okay. So you need to be very focused on that. How much is per month is given, how much is per annum is given, etc. etc. And he has paid professional tax. Professional tax, everyone, irrespective government or private, it will be deductible under section 16(3). So there are 3 deductions in salary. Salary, there are 3 deductions. Which one? First, standard deduction. How much standard deduction is allowed for you guys? 50,000 rupees. Adopt 50,000 will be deductible. Second, 16(2). How much is deduction allowed? If you are a government employed, then 5,000 actual entertainment or 1/5 of the basic, whichever is low, will be exempted, otherwise fully taxable. And 16(3). 16(3) is professional tax. So if these are there, this much will be deductible, remaining will be taxable. And professional tax should be paid, not on outstanding basis. So what you will do now, we have read the question, we'll make the format. Format is ready. Please keep your format ready. Keep your format ready. Name of SSC, Mr. Nirav. तो उसका legal status क्या हो जाएगा? An individual. Residential status by default always हम लोग क्या मानेंगे? Resident and ordinary resident. क्या मानेंगे? Resident and ordinary resident. PAN number is not given. Previous year अपना change हो जाएगा अभी. What is your previous year? 2021. Assessment year क्या होगा बेटा? 21, 22. Clear है? What we are doing? Computation of net taxable salary. What we are doing? Computation of net taxable salary. Is this visible now?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Should we proceed now? What was the basic salary? What was the basic salary?
15,000.
Everyone should solve along with me in your notebook. Okay? 15,000 nahi. Sir, 15,000 per month. So, how much will be for 12 months?
30.
Huh? It's 15,000 per month, then for 12 months it will be 30.
180,000.
80 lakh.
I
One
told
lakh.
you,
One
you
lakh eight.
always sit with your calculator. Am I clear? Your
Yes, sir.
mathematics
Yes,
is
sir.
so strong. So if it is 15,000 per month for 12 months, it will be how much?
1,80,000.
80,000.
Got it?
Sir.
Next. Next is what? Dearness allowance, fully taxable. DA. इसका कॉमन नेम क्या है? DA, डियरनेस अलाउंस. आप लोग सबको पगार मिलने वाला है. ये सब नहीं सीखोगे जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay, 6,000 per month. So how much will be the taxable DA for entire year?
72,000.
72.
72. Absolutely right. Next, city compensatory allowance, 3,000 per month.
36.
36,000.
36,000, fully taxable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, children's education allowance. Children education allowance, 200 per month. So how much it will come?
2,400.
2,400. And how much is exemption? अभी आपने देखा 1040. यहाँ पे तो दिया हुआ है, नहीं दिया रहेगा तो हम लोग कंप्यूट करेंगे. What is the computability? 100 rupees per child per month, maximum for 2 children. Okay. So how much he got?
1,200.
He got 1,200. Absolutely right. And how much is exempted? Here it is given. How much is exempted?
1,200.
200.
1,200 is exempted. Yes. He got 2,400 and exempted is 1,200. So how much is taxable then?
1,200.
1,200. Understood? So you
Yes, sir.
should
Yes,
know.
sir.
Yes, sir.
एकदम simple है taxation. You should know what to add and what to deduct. But और कुछ नहीं करना है, ना debit करना है, ना credit करना है, ना journal entry करना है, ना rectification करना है, ना tally करना है, everything. Whatever is your answer is the right answer. Simple. आपको कोई option भी नहीं है tally करने का. Next. Children hostel expenditure 300 per month. How much you'll get then?
3,600.
3,600.
36,000.
3,600.
3,600. And how much is exempted?
Fully exempted.
Fully exempted.
3,600.
Fully exempted. Otherwise क्या देता है? क्या होना चाहिए था? 300 rupees per child per month, maximum for 2 children. अभी जो हमने रेफर किया था. Okay. What is the taxability? Nothing. Nil. Clear है? This is how in
Yes,
2
sir.
column all topics will be over. All topics will be over. You should know what to add and what not to add and how much to be deducted. That's it. And for that, The knowledge of taxation, amendment of taxation, every year changes is very much required. And it is 100% practical. It is going to affect your personal and professional life. Next. Fixed medical allowance, 2,000 per month.
24,000.
कितना कितना आएगा
24,000.
24,000 fixed medical allowance. 24,000. आप लोग लिख रहे हैं मेरे साथ? Are you writing along with me?
सर
Yes,
नहीं कैसे
sir.
हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes, perfect. सचिन ने बता दिया. Very good. This is how you are going to learn. If you will lag, then you will not be able to cope up. Yes, Kamlesh? Is there any question? Okay, thank you. अच्छा, there is a homework for Sachin, Suti and other children. मेरे को जो unsolved question है of residential status, उसमें या solved question में कुछ corrections है तो please bring it to my notice. आप मुझे कॉल करके बताओ ताकि वो corrections next year के बच्चों में नहीं जाए. There
Okay,
might be
sir.
some printographical error. बच्चों ने किया
Okay,
हुआ
sir.
ये बुक, तो आप मुझे बता देना, ठीक है? Even here also, सैलरी में भी कुछ लगेगा कि सर यहाँ पे ये होगा, 100% होगा, मैं बोलता हूँ, because it is not like FACA, इसमें कोई changes ही नहीं, as it is रहता है, but इसमें हर एक साल changes आते हैं. Like last year, the standard deduction was only 40,000. This year, the standard deduction is 50,000. Every year there is a change. Honestly speaking, every year there is a change. उसकी वजह से slight here and there is visible. So kindly solve those questions. You have my numbers. Please communicate to me. I'll be very happy. But please call
सर
me on
नील
Sunday.
कैसे आया?
नील कैसे आया? 3,600 मिला. 3,600 exempt हो गया. तो बचेगा क्या? कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन तो है. ओके, तो बेटा आप लोग हमें कभी अपडेट करेंगे? संडेज को. ओके, संडे को आई एम फ्री. आई विल डू द चेंजेस इन द ओरिजिनल वर्ड फाइल ऑफ द बुक, नॉट द PDF फाइल. ओके, इज दिस क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
एनी अदर स्टूडेंट आल्सो हु आर
Yes,
डूइंग द
sir.
क्वेश्चन,
Yes,
उनसे
sir.
भी यही एक्सपेक्टेशन है मेरी.
यस सर.
Thank you. Next is motor car allowance, 2,000 per month. How much it will come? It is taxable. आपने बोला था.
Yes, sir.
So how much it will come?
24.
24,000.
Absolutely right, 24,000. And how much exemption is given? How much exemption is given?
23.
23,000.
23,000.
So how much is taxable then?
1,000.
Very correct. 1,000. सही है. Next. Commutation allowance. 200 per month. Commutation allowance. Oh, sorry, 2,000 per month. How much it will come? Again, आपने बोला,
24,000.
yes, taxable. And यहाँ पे exemption कितना है? 800 per month. So first, let me take the taxable part. Again, it will come 24. And deduction कितना है बेटा? दिया हुआ है. 800 rupees per month. So how much will be exempted then?
9,600.
9,600.
Cut कर देंगे. So what is taxable then?
14,400.
Super. बस ऐसे ही करते जाना है. Next, lunch allowance 2,000 per month. Lunch allowance 2,000 per month. Sorry,
24,000.
24,000. अच्छा, amount spent on lunch will be considered.
No,
Will be
sir.
No, not at all.
No, sir.
तुम क्या खर्चा करते हो मेरे लिए कंसर्न नहीं है. Next, entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance 1,500 per month. How much it will come?
18,000.
18,000. Absolutely right. Servant allowance 900 per month. How much it will come?
10,800.
Absolutely right. Picnic allowance 5,000.
5,000.
5,000 only. Yes, 5,000 only, sir. Refreshment allowance 7,000. Sorry, 700 per month.
8,000.
8,400.
8,400.
Very good. तो अब ये सारे को ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा बेटा? ग्रॉस सैलरी. ये सबको ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
Gross salary.
How much you are getting as gross salary?
Gross salary.
3,94,800.
3,94,800 is absolutely right answer. अब उसमें से 3 डिडक्शन अभी आपको सिखाया, 16.1, 16.2 एंड 16.3. 16.1 स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन. कितना है स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन आप लोगों के लिए दिस ईयर?
50,000.
50,000. एंटरटेनमेंट अलाउंस इसको मिलेगा कि नहीं?
सर 50,000 कैसे आए?
दिया हुआ है, एडॉक है, गवर्नमेंट ने दिया हुआ है. 50,000 क्या कैसे आया वो नहीं पूछने का, गवर्नमेंट ने दिया हुआ स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन. फिक्स्ड अमाउंट है. Irrespective of gross salary, 50,000 you'll get standard. Standard, you know what is the meaning of standard? Fixed for all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, entertainment allowance, whether he will get or not, he will not get. Why?
No, sir.
Because he is not a government employee, not applicable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not a government employee. Professional tax, how much it was?
2,500.
2,500. Absolutely right. So total deduction under section 16, 52,000.
52,500.
So what is the net taxable salary? beta?
3,42,300.
नंबर मिल गया पगार तेरे को. अब इसमें क्या होगा, आज के डेट में सब में एक जीरो बढ़ जाएगा. ये पुराने क्वेश्चन है. आज पगार किसी का इतना कम नहीं है, सबका पगार आता है इससे ज्यादा. जो 15,000 है वो 1.5 लाख के करीब है. ठीक है, इतना सिंपल था सैलरी. हैव यू एंजॉयड और नॉट कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ सैलरी? टेल मी यस और नो. वेरी सिंपल. सर कुछ नहीं किया, जो ऐड करना था ऐड कर दिया, जो सब्सट्रैक्ट करना था सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दिया, ग्रॉस सैलरी ढूंढ लिया.
सर स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया.
क्यों? लिखते रहो मेरे साथ, मैंने बोला है लिखते रहने के लिए. हार्डली नाउ वी हैव 2.5 minutes. So what we did, sir, we had all right, then we have deducted 16 and we got the taxable salary. Now let me see whether the same answer is there in the book also or not. दिख रहा है? Oh my God, सेम ही आंसर आ गया यार, है ना? होना ही था. Got the confidence now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I have succeeded on my purpose. Thank you, Bachcha Pati. Thank you very much. So tomorrow again we will practice salary. And likewise, I will upgrade your knowledge of taxation, which you are going to use in your life, which you are going to use to compute your parents, your relatives' file return. You can easily return their files You need not require any assistance by anyone. You need not have to pay any amount.
Yes,
You-
sir.
And future may you can compute your own tax liability. Thank you, Karthik. Today many students are very happy. Thank you for your gesture. Thank you for your appreciation. That really boosts us, and we give our 100% in teaching. Thank you, every student who are motivating us for such kind of learning. So I'm not teaching, it's a learning. For you also it's a learning, for me also it's learning. That is how I take it up. Okay? So see you tomorrow morning again. Yes, you have hardly 50 seconds. Fast.
क्या गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज के केस में एंटरटेनमेंट अलाउंस कितना मिलता है?
बोला ना 3 लिमिट है 5,000 एक्चुअल एंटरटेनमेंट और 1/5 ऑफ द बेसिक. करेंगे हम क्वेश्चन, डोंट वरी. whichever is low उतना मिलेगा.